Style. Yeah, word bully. For art and talk. I will come here to dub out little unconsciousness and dubbing the consciousness, the process of dubbing. Because reggae did them. So, me no preacher, me no teacher, me no perfect. So expect anything from me because me a soldier straight up. This piece is from Bridget Peter Tosh, the unsung hero. And the beat well read and the scene well checked and the man root and shoot. Lord, and the fire upon and the blood that run and some people just don't know where they turn. And the politicians are preach and the preachers are pray, but things are get worse until after death and death. From the east and the west and the north and the south, a shout peace. And the man then from Rima and jungle, a bubble, a dance and a prance, to some every day. And the beat well red and the scene well dread and the man and shoot. And for a long time, the man Peter Tosh in the wilderness wailing, there can be no peace until there's equal rights and justice, And the little dirty bag of bone, a bubble to some heavy, hypnotic survival rhythm. And the mother, only her hand on her jaw, I sing a sad song of redemption. And the brother from the crocodile, a dance with death. Through the bloody that asphalt streets of the city with empty. And people them are real free Michael Bernard, down with capitalism. It's written on the wall. Babylon kingdom must fall. Not a dread ball. There can be no peace until there's equal rights and justice. There can be no peace until there's equal rights and justice. Watch out. Bars and walls can't hold you if you're mentally and you're spiritually free. Trust me. Let me tell you that. Because if chains and if bars and walls would that make you a slave and hold you down? Trust me, wouldn't they over there right now? You don't have to be, to be really free. Yeah? You have to be not just physically free, you have to be mentally free, and you have to be spiritually free. Alien images colonize your thoughts, tarnish your sight, shackle your tongue, and make you self-abusive, destructive. Rise, rage, release dark phantoms of your being to perform ancient rituals, dance, drum in your head to liberate your thoughts, purify your sight, unshackle your tongue, and make you free. You know what say, this Iowa is the visit of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie on the rock, yeah? We give thanks. This poem is called Nyabingi, of black sorrow, joy and hope, chant and drumbeat tell, herbs smell. For a journey to the land where the gods love to be, man yearn, fire burn. This poem was written many years ago. Come as he was returning Who know the name Countazi? Yeah. MRR, Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. Countazi and the Mystic Revelation of Rastafari is one of the group of people or a collection of people where, you know, keep the fire blazing via the music. The music and the poetry and the culture and the trailblazer. It's the ambassador. Our singers and players of instruments, you know, for years have been ambassador. You know, have been warriors in the struggle against oppression. Countazi and MRR. You know, such a group, you know, of people. And this poem was written after Countazi died, leaving stadium. I believe it's the independence celebration, and he died in a car crash, some fatal road accident. And this poem is in memory of MRR, but celebrating I and, you know, the drum, the music, the chant, and it's called Beat Your Drums. Beat your drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long. Beat them, make the sound rise and rise on the breeze. Make the sound mingle the breeze and blow over the hills, through the valleys, over the plains, in a heavy crevice and corner. Beat your drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long. Beat them, make them touch heart and quake heart. Rastaman, beat your drums. Beat your drums, Rastaman, and revive the people, soul, stir them blood, make them heart beat as one with the drums. Beat your drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long. Beat them and chant of glorious times when the people would walk with pride in the motherland. Beat your drums, Rastaman, and make the people remember nights when them would dance, barefooted dance, till them body wet with sweat. Beat your drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long. Beat them, make them rekindle the fire of the people and soul. Beat your drums, Rastaman, see, them can't resist the song. Rastaman, beat your drums. Remember when his uncle pan dumble and in a warrior ill. You could have beat your drums. Rastaman, beat your drums, Rastaman. And tell and dispel the white lies and crush the isms and schisms. Beat your drums and tell of 400 years of frustration and separation, of brutality and poverty, of sowing but not reaping, of blood, sweat and tears. Rastaman, beat your drums and tell of Garvey of his works and spreading words. Beat the drums, Rastaman, beat your drums. There is a direct link with the motherland. Who can deny that? Beat your drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long, and tell of three-finger Jack, Pojo, Johnny, Nanny, tell of the ancient kingdoms too. Beat your drums, Rastaman, and touch art and create art and revive the people's soul and stir them blood and make them heart beat as one with the drums and chant of glorious times and make them remember and rekindle the fire of the people's souls. Beat the drums, Rastaman, beat them loud and long. Rastaman, beat the drums, drum. Rastaman, see, they can't resist the song. Rastaman, beat the drums, beat them loud and long.